Today we will discuss top 3 ways via which you can easily add money in your Cashapp account without debit card. Number 1. Open your app. Now from bottom choose your Cashapp balance. Here you will find the option of link accounts. By tapping it, it is asking your card to link with them. But as we know, we don't have any kind of card. So we will choose not card. Then it is asking us our bank details like its username and password, and with the help of this you can easily link your bank account with your Cash App account. Just to require your bank's username and password. Method 2. For this you must have a Cash App prepaid card. If in case you don't have, you can easily apply for it. The main benefit of this card, you can easily load cash by visiting any of the retail stores mentioned here and easily load money in your Cash App account. Method 3. If any of your friend or your relative using Cash App, you can also ask them to send money to your account and pay them physically. I hope you will like all these 3 methods discussed in the video, and for more videos don't forget to subscribe our channel.